While the project succeeded in reducing land conflicts, the communities still experienced food insecurity. Project communities recommended and supported putting the land into productive use lest poverty would persist and cause more land violence, thus leading to the birthing of the Teso Livelihood Support Project. The TELIS project was purposed to increase food security and household incomes of participating communities.
Apotungeria mnosikede NGO silo tip ogete nguna itutuoringo akironwa kur akironwa epis ageununga epita kukuri ageununga kur emeda kinga kur akurienge modunga lolo akortinge mumaile baka busera masija kuma nyamata pada asoda kukuri epis konga kukuri kedi kulukulon emeda kisingi borolu ay meda kinna jokan perorja tuboy ne pejonon perorja kamunu arede kani to no kaleda alosta gwela dumun jikon kapun le joka jango kedika kene lokololo lo chunu ja chon no ja ngara ko para ketu ogen ja bukoki ananga ngina tonare osodi bodolo ijabunere dumun jobon belu emata ko ja chula kipi odumundio ba daun mambe wala.
The clan investment units got trained in various agroecology and climate-adapted agricultural practices that included farmland planning, line planting and spacing, pests and disease control and management, post-harvest handling and storage, value addition, entrepreneurship and marketing. The training accompanied by the provision of extension services, training in nutrition, kitchen gardening, local poultry production, and village savings and loans.
Again, I join ngango tip. Aja no smoke da ijene kidachowa na pedot ngai dare kakal. Pedot ngai to shom kadwe, pedot ngo aita nyama kesi ejok. Aja smoke da ijene na ito no mune kitchen garden. So dikini ay ray nyama to kukoron kede epuna lodum netike asubune ka kiala pedon ngai konai ay siki karana ngu kantinati ay swama ne animal tree ya ay dorune animal tree kon so de nyalangesi so de siki kon ran ne mamu kesi e pedon tait amuna yara kon are immune system kon mamu kesi lo tait ngaki e kon ay jar so ina kitido nen ngo ilaite ikaduele ajatutar ngoto mokal mamu akisewate erasme muna to sike tai yata kin mabanen acho ana subune kitchen garden ite di sharp nen ngalo sta go goto re amoite lugambo apero ngade nguni kanya matanen lo apero ngai julu ke sanyam ngokeri kadwe
apoto ngai shalami kini bere yongo telo tip kalo TELIS anu ai shishani kini so eponele patana rejar oponele rai boron le kutai kokoron sky shian kin se kitchen garden ai shishan kin na do mengo aneja TELIS anye ngobe erai kwanangi boro to mokokoro akore ngi boro lo gita eri boro lo jaso kuti so aberu e mame ibobo kwana ne na nyuna mairo na lo sei monyo inyamat kapatane bo skuma wiki nakati iboro kam
obedo kede group me tipo bedo ponyo wa kopa mako pito jamini oko ponyo wa pone me pite mado iko kelo ne wada paka kodere oko pito kede mado diko ponyo wa kita mo pore pito kede lines doko pito kede lines ame kodere wa oko bedo nyo oko bedo timo iber sana.
With adoption of good agronomic practices, there has been a remarkable increase in yield as evidenced by bumper harvest. However, during harvesting seasons, food prices greatly fall down due to increased supply. This, coupled with poor storage facilities, leaves farmers with no other option than selling at very low prices, moreover to the middleman-dominated marketing system. The focus now is to organize the farmers into cooperatives so as to harness the advantages like bulking, collective marketing, and exclusion of middlemen.